This video walks you through the steps that I would use initially as a preliminary search if a client were to call me and ask me if there are any patents relating to a product or project that they're working on. And it's the steps I would suggest that you use in taking a quick look. Again, this is just preliminary, taking a quick look to see if there might be patents that are related to your projects. Patents you can learn from, what others have done in the past that were successful or failed, as well as patents that may be a problem that would get you into an infringement suit in your project launch. Before I get into the how-to portion of this video, I'd like to invite you to go below in the description and do me a favor and like the video and subscribe to my channel. On a regular basis, I do these videos to help business owners better understand intellectual property and get full value out of the creativity that they have in their businesses, as well as to protect their businesses from unwanted litigation. Also below is a link to a complimentary copy of my book, Invisible Assets. In addition to that, I have provided a complimentary copy of my intellectual property guide and checklist to help you identify the intellectual property that you have in your business. So thank you for listening, and back to the how-to portion of the video. The initial step would be to go to Google Patents. You get there by just going to the Google search engine, typing in Google Patents, and it will take you to the Google Patents site. The product I'm going to use is a product that I just purchased. It's a grill brush for my outdoor grill. I grabbed this Scrub Daddy scrub brush for my grills and wanted to know, did they have any patents? So what I do is go to the Google Patents site and type in Scrub Daddy. And as you can see, there's the first drop down is Assanee Scrub Daddy, and that's who I want. I'm assuming Scrub Daddy, the company, would assign the patent to themselves. So I'm going to go to Scrub Daddy Assanee. And that gives me a list of all of Scrub Daddy's patents, or all of the patents that are assigned to Scrub Daddy. And I'm just going to browse through that list and see if I can find my barbecue grill brush. And here it is, the last entry is a patent application filing. This happens to be one in Mexico. But if you come down to worldwide applications, you can see all the countries that they have filed in, and here is the US, and that's the product that I purchased. So this screen is a snapshot of information available with regard to the Scrub Daddy patent application filing. It's not a patent yet because it doesn't have a patent number. It just has this application filing number. I can go to the actual document that was filed by clicking on Download PDF, and this will show me the patent application that was filed. You have various drawings of the invention that you can review. All of these, as you can see, are numbered, and those numbers correspond to the detailed description of the invention. So in the patent application, you have a field of the invention, background of the invention, just tells a little bit of a story of the invention, brief description of the drawing that describes those 9 figures I just scrolled through, and then a detailed description of the preferred embodiment. And as I indicated, those numbers relate to what the numbers that are used in this description, and they reference back to features that are shown in the drawings. And then lastly, you have the claims, and there is 1 independent claim and 10 dependent claims, 2 through 11, and that's the legal claim that they make, the legal boundaries of the patent that they would like to get. This is what the examiner focuses on. So going back to that original screen, you have this info down in this box, and it has patent citations. If you click on that, it gives you 6 patents or applications or other publications that were cited that related to this invention. You can click on those and it will take you to filing, and here we have another filing by Aaron Krause and John O'Brien on behalf of Scrub Daddy, and this is a scrubbing and scouring pad. And again, you have the patent citations as previously indicated with the grill brush. These patent citations will take you even deeper into what the applicant or the Patent and Trademark Office thought were relevant documents to that product that the inventor was trying to get patent protection on. You also have the fact that that patent filing was cited in these later filings. It was of information, it was of reference to those, and here it is cited against Scrub Daddy when they try, as they're attempting to get protection on their grill brush. So going back to our original information, you have patent citations, you have similar documents and priority, and what you can do is go through these because they're all going to be related in some way to the product that you're interested in investigating, and you can look at what's out there, what's related. I would not suggest you make the decisions on whether you infringe a patent. What you want to be doing at this point is seeing what others have done, and if there's something that's relatively close to what you're doing, then you want to get that further investigated before you launch your product. And in fact, I would recommend do this initial search, provide this information and your general thoughts on whatever patent or whatever product you want to launch to your patent counsel. Have them do a full investigation, because we have more sophisticated searching tools than what you find here that allow us to find what you may not be able to find in this quick preliminary search that I'm telling you about here. But then we can then look as your patent counsel at the claims and let you know what those claims cover and whether or not you're going to have an issue with your product launch early on so that you can make changes to avoid the claims in the patent. Thank you for listening. I hope you got a lot of value out of this video. Again, please do me a great favor. Click the like below. Also subscribe to my video channel. If you'd like to share this with others who might find this of value, please do that as well. I really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and I look forward to doing videos for you in the future. Have a great day. Bye now.